If you're a health enthusiast, you need to know the juicy benefits of eating watermelon daily. This vibrant, refreshing fruit is not just a summer favorite. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits that can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to stay hydrated, improve your skin, support heart health, or recover from a workout, watermelon has got you covered. Let's dive into the many reasons why watermelon deserves a spot in your daily diet. Let's check them out. First off, hydration station. Watermelon is an excellent source of hydration, which is crucial for maintaining various bodily functions. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature, keeps joints lubricated, prevents infections, and delivers nutrients to cells. It also improves sleep quality, cognition, and mood. So, if you're someone who struggles to drink enough water throughout the day, snacking on watermelon can be a delicious and effective way to boost your water intake. Watermelon is 92% water, making it perfect for keeping you hydrated and feeling refreshed. This high water content not only quenches your thirst but also helps you feel full, which can be beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight. Plus, the natural sugars in watermelon provide a quick energy boost, making it an ideal snack for hot summer days or after a workout. Imagine biting into a cold, juicy slice of watermelon on a scorching day. It's like a burst of hydration and sweetness in every bite. Next up, skin glow up alert. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it deserves all the care and nourishment it can get. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps repair skin cells and keeps your skin looking smooth and youthful, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also boosts collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Thanks to its vitamins A and C, watermelon helps keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. But that's not all. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives the fruit its red color. Lycopene has been shown to protect the skin from sun damage and improve skin texture. So, by incorporating watermelon into your diet, you're not only hydrating your skin from the inside out, but also providing it with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and glowing. Oh, and let's not forget your heart. Heart health is a critical aspect of overall wellness, and watermelon can play a significant role in supporting a healthy heart. This fruit is packed with lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that can help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. This fruit is packed with lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in lycopene have a lower risk of developing heart disease. Moreover, the potassium in watermelon helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in your diet. So, by enjoying watermelon regularly, you're not only treating your taste buds but also taking a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy heart. Pretty sweet, right? But there's more. Watermelon is also a fantastic post-workout snack. If you're someone who loves to stay active, you know how important it is to refuel your body after a workout. Watermelon's got your back. It contains amino acids that help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. The citrulline in watermelon can help reduce muscle fatigue and improve exercise performance, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Watermelon's got your back. After an intense workout, your muscles need to recover and repair. The amino acids in watermelon, particularly citrulline, can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time. Citrulline helps remove ammonia from the body, which can build up during exercise and contribute to muscle fatigue. By eating watermelon after a workout, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to recover faster and perform better in your next session. It contains amino acids that help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. And guess what? Watermelon is also great for your digestion. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall health, and watermelon can help keep things running smoothly. The fiber in watermelon keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. It's good for your digestion too. The fiber in watermelon keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and reducing the risk of digestive issues. Additionally, the high water content in watermelon helps keep your digestive tract hydrated, which is essential for preventing constipation and promoting regularity. So by enjoying watermelon, you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth but also supporting a healthy digestive system. The fiber in watermelon keeps your digestive system running smoothly. And that's not all. Watermelon is also incredibly low in calories, making it a guilt-free snack option. If you're watching your weight or trying to maintain a healthy diet, watermelon is a fantastic choice. It's naturally sweet and satisfying, so you can enjoy it without worrying about consuming too many calories. Plus, the high water content helps you feel full, which can prevent overeating and support weight management. Finally, it's super low in calories. Watermelon is one of the lowest calorie fruits you can find, with only about 30 calories per 100 grams. This means you can enjoy a generous serving of watermelon without any guilt. It's a perfect snack for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. The natural sweetness of watermelon can also help curb sugar cravings, making it a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. So you can munch away without any guilt. Watermelon is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, add it to fruit salads, blend it into smoothies, or even use it in savory dishes like salads and salsas. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing snack, think watermelon. It's a simple and tasty way to boost your health and enjoy the many benefits this superfruit has to offer. So next time you grab a snack, think watermelon. Incorporating watermelon into your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to improve your overall health. Whether you're looking to stay hydrated, support your skin, boost your heart health, recover from a workout, or improve your digestion, watermelon has got you covered. Plus, it's a low-calorie, guilt-free snack that you can enjoy any time of the day. So go ahead and indulge in this juicy, refreshing fruit. Your body will thank you. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep glowing. Watermelon is truly a superfruit that offers a wide range of health benefits. By making it a regular part of your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards better health and well-being. So the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a watermelon and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Here's to staying hydrated, healthy, and glowing with the power of watermelon. Catch you later, health champs. Remember, incorporating healthy foods like watermelon into your diet can make a big difference in your overall health. So, keep exploring and discovering the many benefits of nature's bounty. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the delicious and nutritious foods that support your well-being. Until next time, health champs. Now that we've explored why watermelon is a superfruit, let's dive into its impressive nutritional profile. Watermelon is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to its status as a health powerhouse. Let's break it down. First up, vitamins. Watermelon is a rich source of vitamins A, B6, and C. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth. Vitamin B6 is essential for brain development and function, and it helps the body convert food into energy. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. Together, these vitamins make watermelon a fantastic addition to your diet. But that's not all. Watermelon is also loaded with lycopene. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that gives watermelon its red color and has been linked to numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that lycopene can help reduce the risk of certain cancers, improve heart health, and protect against sun damage. So, by enjoying watermelon, you're not only getting a delicious treat but also a dose of powerful antioxidants. Next, let's talk about amino acids. Watermelon contains citrulline and arginine, two amino acids that play a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Citrulline helps improve blood flow and reduces muscle soreness, making it an excellent post-workout snack. Arginine helps the body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. These amino acids make watermelon a great choice for anyone looking to support their heart and muscles. And here's a fun fact. Watermelon is fat-free and very low in sodium, making it a heart-healthy snack option. Plus, it's incredibly low in calories, with only 40 calories per cup. This means you can enjoy a generous serving of watermelon without worrying about your calorie intake. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth and stay on track with your health goals. So, next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a slice of watermelon. In summary, watermelon is not just a delicious and refreshing fruit, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A, B6, and C, lycopene, antioxidants, and amino acids, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their health. Plus, it's fat-free, low in sodium, and low in calories, making it a perfect snack for any time of the day. So, go ahead and indulge in the many nutritional benefits of watermelon. Your body will thank you. Stay tuned for more health tips and delicious ways to incorporate watermelon into your diet. Catch you later, health champs. Welcome back, health champs. Now that we've covered why watermelon is a superfruit and its impressive nutritional benefits, let's dive into another critical aspect, hydration. Did you know that watermelon is made up of 92% water? That's right. This makes it an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially on those hot summer days. When the temperature rises, our bodies lose more water through sweat, and it's essential to replenish those fluids to keep our systems running smoothly. Watermelon is not just a tasty treat, it's a hydration powerhouse. The high water content helps to keep you refreshed and hydrated, making it a perfect snack for outdoor activities, picnics, or simply lounging by the pool. Plus, the natural sugars in watermelon provide a quick energy boost without the crash that comes from processed snacks. But hydration isn't just about quenching your thirst. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, aiding digestion and regulating body temperature. By incorporating watermelon into your diet, you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your body the hydration it needs to function optimally. So next time you're feeling parched, reach for a slice of watermelon. It's a delicious way to stay hydrated and enjoy the sunny days to the fullest. Remember, staying hydrated is key to overall health and well-being, and watermelon is here to help you achieve that. Stay tuned for more health tips and refreshing ways to incorporate watermelon into your diet. Catch you later, health champs. Welcome back, health champs. After learning about the hydration benefits of watermelon, it's time to explore the delicious ways you can incorporate this superfruit into your diet. In this segment, we'll dive into some mouth-watering watermelon recipes that are perfect for any occasion. First up, let's talk about smoothies. Watermelon smoothies are incredibly refreshing and easy to make. Just blend some watermelon chunks with a splash of coconut water, a handful of mint leaves, and a squeeze of lime juice. You get a hydrating drink that's bursting with flavors and nutrients, perfect for a post-workout refreshment or a midday pick-me-up. Next, we have watermelon salads. Yes, you heard that right. Watermelon pairs wonderfully with savory ingredients. Try a watermelon feta salad with arugula, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, and a sprinkle of black pepper. The sweet and juicy watermelon contrasts beautifully with the salty feta and peppery arugula, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. For those with a sweet tooth, how about watermelon sorbet? Blend frozen watermelon chunks with a bit of honey and a splash of lemon juice until smooth. Freeze the mixture for a few hours, and you'll have a delightful homemade sorbet that's both healthy and satisfying. And let's not forget about watermelon salsa. Dice watermelon, cucumber, red onion, and jalapeno, then toss them with lime juice and chopped cilantro. This vibrant salsa is perfect for topping grilled fish, chicken, or simply enjoyed with tortilla chips. As you can see, watermelon is a versatile fruit that can add a refreshing twist to many dishes. Whether you're blending it into smoothies, tossing it into salads, or freezing it into sorbet, there are endless ways to enjoy this superfruit. So, get creative and start experimenting with these recipes. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and recipes to keep your health journey delicious and fun. Catch you later, health champs.